Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another quick review. Welcome to another vlog guys. Ngayon magre-review tayo ng isang bagong unit. So bagong dating lang to guys. This is the Umarex Walther PPK-S. This is airgun pistol guys, 4.5mm steel ball, CO2 powered. It's an airgun pistol. Ito yung kanyang specs. CO2 powered. It's a blowback pistol guys. Then full metal. 3 joules. 15 rounder mid-cap magazine. Single action. It's a smoothbore barrel. Yan. Meron na rin siyang safety manual safety. Then if you want to avail extra magazine, meron tayong available na magazine. Tingnan yung magazine guys. Ayan, ito siya. Ito po guys yung kanyang bala. It's a steel ball, 4.5mm. Bolitas po yan na maliliit. Then ito naman po yung kanyang propellant or the CO2 cartridge 12G. Disposable siya, non-threaded. And so again, this is the Walther PPK. It's a compact pistol, fully licensed or officially licensed by Walther. Umarex brand po siya. So buksan na natin. It comes with the owner's manual, PPK, and the maintenance manual. So ito yung unit guys. It's a compact pistol. With markings. Full markings po siya. Ayan. Compact pistol. Okay, so maliit lang siya guys. And then it's a blowback pistol, so nakakasapo ito. Ayan. Tapos naglalak din 'yun pag wala ng bala. So ito yung kanyang magazine. Ayan, 15 rounder capacity. Nandito naman po yung kanyang manual safety. So yan po yung safe. Then yan naman po yung fire. Safe. Then fire. Yan, so cute niya, no? Liit. Now, dito naman po yung sa CO2. So pag maglo-load po kayo ng CO2, tatanggalin nyo lang yung grip. Yan. So maglo-load tayo. Then may kasama siyang para siyang Allen wrench. Ito yung panghigpit naman. So load lang natin dyan. Pasok lang yung CO2. So pag ganun po. So luluwagan lang natin yung screw para mag-fit yung CO2. Then ikot. Yan. Tamang higpit lang po. Then, after that, balik natin yung grip cover. So ito pa lang nakikita nyo dito. Ito po yung manual safety sa totoong Walther PPK. Pero dito sa airgun, ito, display lang po yan. Hindi po yan gumagana. Andito po kasi sa likod yung kanyang manual safety. Ayan. Okay, so ito yung magazine. So yung magazine niya ay plastic magazine. So pagka nasira naman yung magazine, meron tayong available extra. So pag maglo-load kayo naman, ito lang. Ayan, pasok mo lang siya dito sa likod. Ayan. Tapos load mo lang. Ayan. So yun po yung magiging itsura niya pag may magazine na. Walther PPK. Steel ball ang bala, balitas ang bala, 4.5mm, CO2 powered blowback pistol. Compact lang siya. Okay, test fire. Firing. Malakas yung recoil. Malakas din yung tunog. Maganda siya. Okay, so open slide. So ito yung mag-release niya. Release nyo lang magazine. Tapos hatak, release lang. Huwag nyo na siyang kakalabitin kasi puputok po yan. Pero wala siyang bala kasi yun, i-remove natin yung magazine. Pero puputok po yan kasi andito po yung CO2 niya sa grip. Yan. Yan. So lagay nyo na lang siya sa safe. Okay. So again, this is the Walther PPK airgun pistol by Umarex.